Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE configured UI board part #WD21X31904. The GE configured UI board part #WD21X31904 is a user interface board designed for use with GE washing machines. It is a replacement part for the original user interface board that came with the machine. The board is responsible for controlling the various functions of the washing machine, such as cycle selection, temperature settings, and other settings. It also provides a display for the user to view information about the current cycle and settings. The board is programmed with specific instructions to control the washing machine's functions and can be. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WD21X31904 UI board is designed to fix the following symptoms: washer won't start, washer won't spin, washer won't agitate, washer is noisy, washer is leaking water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws from the back of the appliance and remove the access panel. 3. Locate the control board and disconnect all wires connected to it. 4. Remove the mounting screws and lift out the old control board. 5. Insert the new GE configured UI board part #WD21X31904 into place and secure with mounting screws. 6. Reconnect all wires to their respective terminals on the new board, making sure to match colors or labels if present. 7. Replace access panel and secure with screws removed earlier. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.